Hello friend, thanks for subscribing. I feel gratitude that you appreciated my work. Thank you. Hi, in this video we see how to copy all file names located in a folder. So for this there is a wonderful software available for Windows. Go to Google and search for file list Windows software. Then you see sttmedia.com. Click here. Come to this website, click on download, then it will be downloaded. See, actually from Google you come to this page, here click here. Once you click here, then it is downloaded. Now open it. Now copy the path of the folder where the file is located. Here our target is we want to copy the path and the file names and all the file names located in this folder. So just select folder and click on here, paste it in the search bar, paste it and click OK. See, we got all the file names along with the file size and file path. So if you don't want the format and size and path, just uncheck them. As you are unchecking, so all the file names will be removed. Now click on clipboard, or you can use Ctrl A, Ctrl C and just paste it here. So that's it. Even you can copy them to Excel file also. So this is the process of copying all the files located in a folder, irrespective of the type of file formats. If any MP4 or JPEG or image files are located in this folder, then it will copy all those file names along with their path and the file size. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.